Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So you're probably wondering what this is. This is so cool. Vevor sent this to me. It's a 2-in-1 button maker, and I've been playing around with it for like the last week. It's awesome. So it's really easy to make buttons, and I'm gonna go ahead and walk you through it step by step, and you'll see how much fun it is. So let's get started. So when you get this base is not attached, and all you need to do is, it comes with the bolts and the washer, and all you do is just attach it. Super easy. So that's that. And then you get all of this. So let me go ahead and undo this and walk you through how we use this. And believe me when I say this is so much fun and so easy to use. Let's go ahead and push this up. Okay, and then we're going to slide this off. Let me go ahead and take this off as well. You get 2 of these, and these pieces have the millimeters on what size button you can do. So this is 58 millimeters, and then this one is 32 millimeters. So we're going to use the 58, and all you do is place this inside here. There's a little hole that it goes in, and you push it up. That's it. The next step is these come on here, so you don't need to attach anything. This comes as is. All you do is you place it on here and you slide it, and when you slide it, you just want to push this up, and then you want to take this bolt and just screw it down. And the reason we're doing this is because then that bolt is under there, so this does not slide off. See? So it's that easy. It comes with so many buttons, the 58 millimeters and the 32 millimeters. And it also comes with these adjustable circle cutters. And it comes with a book that you can use inside here to practice. You can really use anything you want for the buttons. Just make sure you can see this. All right. So I'm going to walk you through how to make a button, and you're going to see how easy it is, how cool it is. It comes with everything, seriously, everything that you need. But these circles right here, you can actually have your kids color, draw. You can do anything you want on here. And then you can actually even probably sublimate. I haven't done that yet, but I bet you could. And then you can use this for the button. But what I did is I actually used my Cricut, and I created a couple images, and then I printed and cut them out, and we're going to use those. So let's get started. I'm going to show you how to do a big button, and you'll see how easy it is and how cool they look. We're going to start with, let me make sure you can see everything. So this is the large button. So we're going to go ahead and slide this over, and all you do is place that down just like this. Simple, super simple. And then what I'm going to use is this adorable image. This is one that I made on Cricut and cut it out. The next step you do is you just place that on top, and you're going to take one of these clear plastic sheets, and you're going to place that on top of this. So we're going to do it just like this. And if you can see here, there's a little arrow. So you want to line that up so it is kind of even with that, like the top is even with the arrow. And then we are going to slide this over, and then we're going to push down. That's it. And then when you slide it back, you'll see it's gone. What it did is it went up here, because now we're going to do the second half of it. So now we're going to take the other half of the button, and this is the part right here. You can see where it's straight is where you have the pin. So that part is going to be laid down, and this part is going to be faced up. Now, it comes with these rings that you use only when you're using the large buttons. When you do the small buttons, you don't place this down, only for the large. So we're going to go ahead, place this down, and then you want to line this up. So it's just like that. And then we're going to slide this over, and we're going to press down. And voila. Isn't that so cool, you guys? That was so easy. Isn't that so cool? I never realized making buttons was so easy, but I think that's so cute. So let's do another one because they're so much fun. All right, so let's go ahead. We have this piece. This is for the large. And all you do is slide it over, place it right there, and you grab your image. So we have my image right here. And I just printed this on just laser paper. Whatever paper you want, you could probably use, whether you want to use photo paper, but I just used laser paper, like copy paper. We're going to place this on top, the little plastic sheet, and it's you just want to make sure that it's just one. And you want to line this up so the top is kind of angled where that arrow is just right in the middle of the top. So you know that's the top. So we're going to slide this over and push down, and it's gone. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is grab this. And again, this is the part where the pin is, so that part goes down. And we're going to place it right here, just line it up. Slide this over. Isn't that so cool? Seriously, this is so awesome. Let me do one more just to show you because I'm actually having fun with these. So let me go ahead and get another one. I just can't believe how easy it is because when I first opened it, I was like, oh my gosh, this kind of looked overwhelming. Totally not at all. So we're going to place this down here, and I'm going to get my last image, and we're going to use a plastic sheet and place it over the top. Okay, and we're just going to slide this over, push down, and we need to get the back. So we have this. And again, the kind of jaggedy little one goes on top. Okay, and then we slide this over. And that is it. These are some of the buttons that I made. Isn't that so cool? They're so easy. And isn't that cute? These are perfect if someone's having a baby shower and you want to have, like, it's a boy, it's a girl, your kids are in student council and they're running for being voted. You can make little buttons. You can make buttons for anything. So I even made one for my channel. So, but isn't that so cool? And this was so easy. So let me just show you one other thing. So let's say that you are done and you want to place the small one in because now you're ready to do small. All you do is just, you want to unscrew this a little bit so the bottom of that screw isn't sticking out, preventing it from sliding over. Okay, so all you do is just push this up, and then this slides right off. And then to change to do the small one, do is just pull this out just like that, and then you just place the small one in. That's that easy. So I'm going to leave the big one in because I'm enjoying doing the big buttons. And then you just slide this over. You have to push this up. And then you just want to screw this down again just so when you're going back and forth, this doesn't come off the track. That easy, you guys. So if it's something that you might see yourself getting, I will leave a link below. And I would definitely recommend this. It's a lot of fun. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.